Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mukura online classes. It's your English literature lecture and I am your English teacher Anu. It's grade 4 lecture and our textbook is right now. Topic Buried Treasure. We have already completed reading and back exercise of the chapter A Buried Treasure. So let's start. Okay. Today we will do words meaning. Number one word is harvest. So what is the meaning of harvest? A process of gathering in fruits. When the fruits or crops are ripe, so we can gather or cut the crops, it's called harvesting. Log, a fallen branch of tree. Gaze, to look fixedly. Sigh, to breathe deeply, express sadness. When we are sad and we take a deep breath, it's called sigh. Okay, it's an expression. Okay, will, a legal document containing instructions, and usually will is disclosed after the death of a person, which contains instructions about a person's belongings, mostly. Astonishment. Number 6, amazement. Hidden, secret, out of sight. Obviously, you know the meaning of hidden. When we make something hide or place it out of sight, it's called hidden. Steal, to take something without permission. When we take something without anyone's permission or without being noticed, it's called stealing. Okay? Merchant, trader, a person who deals in business. A person who deals in business means you give him or her any goods and they give you money in return of that good is called a merchant. Delighted, happy. Delighted, happy. You know that word very it's very common. So this was our lecture for today, but you have to note that sentence will be made from the words of the words meaning. These are the words, and you will make sentences from these words on your English literature notebook. Okay? Thank you so much. This was our lecture for today. If you have any kind of problem, you know how to contact me. Take care, Allah Hafiz.